Our new drug, which is called TransCon growth hormone, is a prodrug. So it includes the somatropin molecule that has been marketed and known for many decades, and it puts it into a carrier, and it releases in the body based on temperature and pH. And it releases the same prodrug, which is the drug that's currently used in practice. So we completed a very successful phase 2 study, which demonstrated the safety and efficacy in that study of our TransCon growth hormone. And based on those results, we're now expanding into a global phase 3 trial, which will begin this summer. So the goal of the phase 2 study was to prove the concept that this prodrug release technology would in fact release somatropin, the human growth hormone that's been used as a daily therapy for many years, in a fashion that was similar to the human growth hormone, which we used as a control in the study. So we had an active control study, and we demonstrated the same safety and efficacy and immune response as the daily growth hormone that has been used for many years. So to us, that was a large success. It was what we expected, and we confirmed it in that trial, and now we expect to confirm it in an even bigger phase 3 trial. There are always adverse events in trials, but there was nothing unexpected, and the adverse event profile was very similar to what we saw with our active control group, which was daily injectable growth hormone. Well, the promise is that now, if this trial is successful and we obtain registration, that there will be a once-weekly alternative to daily, nightly injections. And that would be a very large advance in the field. It's what doctors and patients and families have been asking for many years. There are multiple daily injectable growth hormone therapies, and they all work. They're safe and effective and very well characterized. But they are inconvenient, and that represents a burden for the child and the family. Growth hormone deficiency has been a really large issue for many, many decades. Luckily, for 30 years, we've had daily injectable growth hormone, which works terrifically. However, it is a burden for parents and the children, and many patients, sadly, are non-compliant, and when they're non-compliant and don't use all the doses every night, the growth is not what it can be. It's not optimal. So the unmet need has been for a longer-acting growth hormone therapy for many, many years, and many people have tried up till now with limited success, but some. But we feel like we are really on the right track here with a prodrug that releases the same growth hormone that has been used for many decades, but in a once-weekly format. Our focus now is on executing and initiating the phase 3 global trial. And after that, we hope to quickly achieve registration, and then we'll pursue other unmet needs in this area as appropriate. I think the important thing with TransCon growth hormone is it's the only therapy that releases the same native growth hormone that has been used for many years. So it releases that same drug into the bloodstream, and the results we expect will be what has been seen for many years with the currently approved therapies. And therein lies the beauty of the technology, if you will. We're not altering the growth hormone molecule in any way.